BYD's streak of scoring top marks in crash tests continues, with Australia's ANCAP confirming a 5-star rating for the plug-in hybrid BYD SHARK 6 double cab utes. Scores achieved: Adult Occupant Protection, 85%. Child Occupant Protection, 87%. Vulnerable Road User Protection, 74%. Safety Assist, 86%. The BYD SHARK 6 is equipped with an extensive range of standard safety features including dual frontal airbags, side chest and side head protecting airbags. It also features a center airbag designed to protect the front seat occupants in side impact crashes. The dual cab utes achieved an 85% score for Adult Occupant Protection. In the frontal offset (MPDB) test, the passenger cabin remained stable, with all key body regions recording a ranking of good protection rating, except for the driver's chest, which was adequate. In the full-width frontal test, protection for the driver's neck and chest was adequate, while rear passenger chest protection was marginal and neck protection adequate. Other critical body regions for both the driver and rear passenger were good. However, due to its size, weight and front-end design, the BYD SHARK 6 poses a higher risk to occupants of oncoming vehicles, resulting in the full 8.00-point penalty being applied in the MPDB test, which assesses vehicle-to-vehicle compatibility. The 87% score for Child Occupant Protection was driven by the SHARK SIX's performance in the frontal offset and side impact tests, where protection for both the 10-year-old and 6-year-old dummies was good, and the vehicle earned maximum points. The SHARK 6 is fitted with a Child Presence Detection (CPD) system for all 3 rear seating positions, with the vehicle able to automatically intervene by activating the air conditioning to cool down the cabin if an unattended child is detected. The alert sensitivity of this CPD system, however, does not meet ANCAP's functional requirements, and the SHARK 6 scored 0 points for this area of assessment. Assessed within the Vulnerable Road User Protection pillar, the BYD SHARK 6 features an autonomous emergency braking (AEB) system designed to detect and respond to pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists. The system demonstrated good performance in AEB pedestrian scenarios, though it showed marginal performance in reverse AEB backover tests. In AEB cyclist scenarios, the system successfully avoided or mitigated collisions at all test speeds, including during turning maneuvers. Additionally, the vehicle provides alerts when a bicycle is approaching from behind to prevent cyclist dooring. Now it's your turn. What do you think about the BYD SHARK 6 safety performance? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, so you never miss an update on the latest cars. See you in the next video.